Hi dear traders and investors, today is the 26th of March, Tuesday. I'm presenting you with a fresh market analysis prepared for the InstaForex company. As for the news flow, yesterday the United States issued quite weak data. Today traders may pay attention to the US oil inventories. Let us switch to the trading charts. Thus, gold is trading sideways after a slump that took place on March 21st. I suppose the gold should be cheaper and cost $21.50 USD per troy ounce. Yesterday I recommended taking a look at the test of the swing high. This allowed traders to earn some money. The main idea is to expect gold to fall even deeper. The euro-dollar pair is also losing value. The trading strategy is the same as for gold. When falling, the instrument has formed numerous areas where it's possible to enter the market. Notably, the pair stooped, sliding near the level of 1.08003. That is why I think that it will rebound and then resume falling. At present, the pair is sliding below the swing high, which was formed on March 22nd. Thus, it's possible to go short there with a stop of 130 pips, hoping for a take profit of 600 pips. The second chance to go short is from the swing point recorded on March 21st. The situation with the Australian dollar is absolutely the same. We can see a considerable decline and a bubble. There's a swing high which allows traders to open short positions, like on the euro-dollar pair. The pound-dollar pair is showing the same movement as the EUR USD. However, in this case, the risks are higher. Traders may also switch to a smaller time frame to benefit from the current market conditions. The dollar-yen is moving very unusually, and traders do not want to buy the asset. Nevertheless, I foresee a breakout. The fact is that the pair has approached this level for the third time in the last several years, and touched this level in 2022, 2023, and 2024. Under the current conditions, it's possible to trade against the main trend or search for swing points. Notably, the Bank of Japan may take some measures to stop the yen. Silver also dropped. If it touches a swing low, it will become possible to open long positions. That's all for today now. Good luck.